I'm Eileen.
Hi, I'm Cheri. I have 4 food allergies. Our goal is to provide delicious meal ideas your whole family will enjoy. Today we're making pull-apart rolls. There are 2 substitutions, gluten-free flour and egg. How do we make them fluffy?
There's 2 ingredients in this recipe that help make them fluffy, Cheri. There's yeast, which is normally used in rolls, but also seltzer water, both of them creating carbon dioxide, making these lovely little air pockets. The dry ingredients for our pull-apart rolls are Joul's all-purpose gluten-free flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, baking soda, potato flakes, and rapid rise yeast.
For my egg substitute, I'm using 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal and 3 tablespoons of warm water. Our wet ingredients include flaxseed meal and water, which we mixed together prior to this, our apple cider vinegar, olive oil, and seltzer water. Now that I've got all the wet ingredients combined, I'm going to pass them over to Eileen.
Thank you, Cheri. I'm going to add all the liquid ingredients to the dry ingredients. We're going to mix it on low for about 30 seconds, just to blend the ingredients. Then we're going to move it up to medium for 3 minutes. Okay, it's ready. We're ready now to put the dough into the baking pan. It takes a little bit different technique using this type of dough than with your regular gluten dough. Use an ice cream scoop. Get a little moisture on the scoop. Right-handed. Fill up the scoop with the dough, and then you scoop the dough into the pan. The pan has a piece of parchment paper with oil beneath it for easy removal. You just scoop each of the rolls into the pan. The dough is fairly sticky, so that's why the ice cream scoop is used. It helps release the dough from the scoop. It makes about 8 to 10 rolls, side by side. Okay. I'm going to take our fingers, our washed hands. I'm just going to shape each of the rolls individually. So it just looks more like a rounded roll. Now I'm ready to proof the rolls. Proofing means that the carbon dioxide that is there because of the yeast and because of the seltzer water is going to expand the dough and make it fluffier. The trick that I learned in culinary school is actually just to use a heating pad. This is just a regular heating pad put on about the medium level. I'm going to spray a little bit of oil onto this piece of saran wrap. That way the saran wrap will not stick. Then I cover it with a towel, keep the air in, nice and warm air, and let it proof for 30 minutes.
I've got the oven preheat at 450. As soon as I put the rolls in, I'm going to turn it down to 350 and bake them for 25 minutes. Yummy pull-apart rolls. Time to taste.
Yeah. Good job, Cheri.
I'll take some jam.
Ah, looks good. It's raspberry jam.
Thank you for watching our video.
We'll see you next time.
Check it out, yo. Check it out, yo.